Hey there mga my loves, Aris! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading na ito for you guys, our content today is alamin natin kung what do they want from you. So this is anybody here in your life or kung meron kayong iniisip na specific person, yan, you may concentrate on them bago natin simulan ang reading nito for you guys. No? So alamin natin kung ano ba ang kanilang true intentions, or feelings for you guys. So tingnan natin Aries, no? This could be anybody, okay? So, just take how this resonates with you. Siyempre, wala tayong gender dito at timeless din ito. So, let's take a look at cross watchers. You're also welcome right here. Okay? So you can flip roles if you want. Yan, no? Kasi pwede talaga magkapalit-palit dito ang energy. So, let's see. This is for Aries. Spirits and Angel, guys. It's Angel Michael. Thank you so much. Can you please show me what does this person wants from my Aries? What is this person's true intentions and feelings from Aries? For Aries. This is for Aries. Can you please show me this person's true feelings and intentions? What does this person want from Aries? Just catching the right energies for you guys. Yung iba, bakit ang tagal magbalasa? Kasi po hinuhuli po dun yung energy. Hindi po binibitawan yun hanggat hindi pa po yun yung energy. Yan. Ako ganun ako eh. Hinuhuli ko yung right energy. So, if hindi pa yun, then I won't stop. Okay. So, let's see what is this person's intention sa'yo, Aries. So, let's see. Oh, so this looks like someone here who is feeling this kind of very spiritual connection here with you with the Six of Cups. For others of you, this person could be already in your life but doesn't have to be in this lifetime, no? Kasi pwede rin kasi ito na kayo ay nagkaroon na ng encounter, no? In your past lives right here. So this person could be an old friend to some of you, but this person right here will feel or baka nararamdaman niya na, ang strong connection sa'yo. Yeah, so if this is someone here na wala pa sa life mo, nakikita ko dito Aries, no? That this is someone here, no, to the point na parang iiwasan mo dahil ang intense ng emosyon or yung tinatawag na spiritual na connection ninyong dalawa, no? Either ikaw, mga babes, no, or siya yun, no, to the point na parang nakakagulat, no, na parang super attracted siya sa'yo or baliktarin nyo na lang, no, or magiging super attracted ka sa kanya. Just take how this resonates, no, kasi ang lakas, ang strong ng spiritual connections ninyo. Yeah, we have here the Two of Wands energy, no? Hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo or this person right here, hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya rito, no? This person is actually falling for you. Kung sino to. Pag bagong dating pa lang to sa buhay nyo, no, or paparating pa lang siya, this person, undeniable to, no, na mai-in love siya sa'yo rito, no. Pwedeng sa sobrang lakas nga, no, sobrang intense rito ng emotions and feelings, no, hindi niya alam yung mga susunod niyang gagawin rito. But I can see passion. I can see this person here feeling that kind of too much attraction for you. So yeah, we have here the sea. Five of Wands energy, no? To the point na parang gugulo pa rito mga babes, no? Kanyang isipan, no? With lots of conflicts. I think this is battle, no? Sa kanyang head. So this is someone here na parang um, alam mo yung parang feeling scared or there's fear here of the unknown. Pero I can see this person is pushing through pa rin. Hindi niya kaya ritong pigilan ang magiging emosyon at damdamin niya here for you guys. This person's intentions and feelings for you is hindi niya rin talaga kayang maipaliwanag, pero I can see that this person will give you that fresh new beginning when it comes to love and romantic relationship. This is the type of person right here that will not let anybody hurt you. This is the type of individual right here na gusto ka niyang protektahan, na gusto ka niya rito, no, na alam mo, napaka-sweet niya, no, kasi nakita ko rito ng vibe, no, na parang siya yung klase ng person na kunwari, no, nakatulog ka na, no, sa bus, no, or kung saan man kayo, no, na magkasama rito na magta-transportation, ganyan, no, kayo. Nakikita ko dito na 'pag nakatulog ka, ihihilig niya yung ulo mo sa balikat niya. Yan, 'no, gano'n, 'no? And this is the type of person right here, 'no, na puwede rin namang clingy siya, but to the point na mararamdaman mo na sweet siya. Mhm. It's more than words, yun yung nakukuha ko dito. Yan. This person, more than words, isho-show niya sa'yo yung kanyang emotions and feelings, no? Yeah, kahit stranger pa ito. Kasi kung ito ay isang stranger at papasok pa lang to sa buhay mo, there's a strong, okay, magnetic attraction, no? Undeniable magnetic attraction right here because maaari talagang meron kayong strong past lives encounter. Yeah, so whatever it is, see, we have here the Two of Pentacles energy. No, see, a lot of twos right here. So you could be seeing two twos, 222, angel number 222. Definitely, this could be your soulmate right here. This person will feel balanced with you. Kaya siya dito magpo-push pa rin. Oo, nakaka-overwhelm yung feeling ng emotions and feelings, no? Kasi syempre, kung meron kayo ditong strong na connection, no? Ang hirap na parang pumasok dun sa connection na yun, no? Lalo na kung ito ay napaka-intense, no? Pero I can see that this person right here will somehow finds balance with you, kaya itutuloy niya pa rin to, no? Hindi niya kayang pigilan ito for too long, yung nararamdaman niya rito na feelings for you guys. So, I can see this person, pa-enter siya rito sa door, oh. See, parang magbabalik dito, no, yung pakiramdam, no, na hindi niya ma-explain. Magbabalik siya dito sa pakiramdam, no, na hindi niya ma-explain, no, na para siya ritong na-reunite, no, to someone na maaaring familiar na daw siya with. Kasi nga maaaring meron nga kasi kayo rito parang pagtatagpo sa isang nakaraan, no? So, pwedeng sa isang saling buhay, no, or sa isang past lives nitong tao na to, no, is kayo ay nagkita na or nagtagpo na, no? So, kung sino man siya, nakikita ko rito, no, na muli kayong magtatagpo in this lifetime right here. Kaya kahit na pong pigil, ang gawin niya rito, no, mahuhulog at mahuhulog pa rin siya sa'yo. Kasi may pagpipigil dito to the point na parang nakausapin niya yung sarili niya, ano ba nangyayari sa kanya, bakit ang bilis niyang ma-fall daw sa'yo, no, ganyan. And to the point na parang hindi niya naiintindihan na rito kung ano talaga yung nangyayari, pero nakikita ko siya rito bibitiw sa pagiging overthinker, no, kundi mag-go with the flow na lang. Yeah, no? So, ganun ko siya nakikita dito. See, we have here the double. See? Because this is a very addicting. The devil here is not negative. This is a very addicting energy. Okay? You give this, alam mo yung parang ano yung part na yun, no, dun sa kanta ni Britney Spears. With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. See? With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. See? So whatever the case may be, this person is loving that. Yeah. I think I'm ready now. With your loving now. I think I'm ready now. See? This person's ready at magiging ready siya for you guys. Yeah, because you are so addicting for this person. Nakaka-addict ka daw. So yeah, see? Look at that. See, from pagpipigil ito ay nakikita ko, no, na magpapasumabay na lang sa agos, no, ng kanyang feelings and emotions for you. Aries, so yun na nakikita natin dito guys, no, to the point na, alam mo yun, hindi naman siya nagiinom, pero baka mag-inom siya, no. Like, this person will really think No, what's wrong with me? Bakit ang bilis ko naman atang magkagusto rito sa tao na 'to? Bakit ang bilis ko naman atang magkagusto rito kay Alice? Ano ba nangyayari dito? Parang, hindi ko naiintindihan. What's happening? Yan, no? To the point na yung pala yun. Because there is something strong and it cannot be explained just by mere words right here, pero na-explain na ng emotions and feelings ninyo, yun na yun. Diba? So, yun yun. And yeah, we have here the Knight of Wands energy. This person could be somewhat attractive, okay? Or maaaring siya ay nag-gym. Look at that abs. Pero this person right here will put in the work into this type of connection here with you. See? Hindi madali magsibak ng kahoy. So, ibig sabihin, mga babes, no? This person is hard worker, diligent, no? Masipag siya rito, no? At yan, no? Mukhang mga babes, no? Kung sino man siya, no? Pwedeng siya ay nag-gym or just this person right here is just taking care of his or her body. Yeah. So, kung nasan man siya mga babes ngayon na napalop ng earth, this person, yan, no, this yummy person will find you really, really attractive. Tsaka karamihan dito, no, may itsura to guys. Yung nakikita ko dito, no. So, kung sino man siya, hindi ko alam kung bakit pumasok sa isip ko, no, si Thor ng Marvel. So, maaaring mga babes, no, meron siyang bigote for others of you or baka siya ito, no, na maala superhero. Yeah, we're hearing the word save. So, yeah, this person right here will save you, okay? Or will save your feelings and emotions right here. Yan, no? So, maaaring kayo to, no, nasa failed relationships na kayo before, no? Pero, this person will heal you. This person will be a part of your healing process right here. And yeah, this person will put in the work. Yan, no? Ikaw kaya magsibak ng kahoy. Ewan ko lang hindi ka pagpawisan ng butil-butil dyan. No? So, whatever it is, this is someone here who is definitely gonna fall in love with you. Aris! And you know what? Puro tayo dito parang masyado kasi siya nagpo-focus rito sa kanyang emosyon kasi yun yung hindi niya naiintindihan. Ang tanong ninyo siguro sa akin, Misin, may pera ba yun? Meron mga babes, yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. Actually, nakakita ko dito ng tindahan, so hindi ko alam kung hindi ito basta, hindi ito yung sari-sari store ng tindahan. It's like a grocery kind of thing. Or let's just say, convenience store. And then I'm seeing, what's this? A desk, yan, no? An office desk right here. So, pwedeng siya ay nagtatrabaho while having business. So, see? Masipag siya. So, whoever this individual is, this person right here could be someone, okay, na nakakita ko nang hindi siya yung may double personality, pero nakikita ko rito, no, na kapag ka siya ay nasa bahay lang or lalabas lang together with friends, ang simple lang ng suot niya. Pero pag siya ay pupunta sa work, tas nag-aayos siya, ganda, mas lalo siyang gumanda at mas lalo siyang gumwapo, ganun. Pero hindi ko sinasabing vain siya, no? Kasi nakakita rin ako rito ng parang may pagka-fashionista siya, pero hindi everyday, parang depende. Pagpapasok siguro siya sa work, napaka-bongga, no, ng kanyang ayos dito. So, pwedeng may posisyon siya, no, kaya ganun siya mag-ayos, no, or kasi iba yung nakita kong desk, no? Hindi yun yung desk na nakahalubilo sa iba. It's like somewhat a desk with a higher position. See? So, simple lang talaga siya, pero pag nasa trabaho, rock. Yung ganun. Oh, so this person right here is meron din siyang and impressive background, and at the bottom of the deck, see, Four of Swords energy. This person cannot sleep well at night to the point that this person carries you to sleep. Yan, no? Parehas kayo dito nag-iisipan. See, with the Eight of Swords energy, taka kasi sa isip niya. To the point na he or she is calling here, no, his or her angels and spirit guides, no, to answer his or her questions. What's going on? Kasi baka napapanaginipan ka na rin niya before pa, bago pa kayo nagkita at nagkakilala. Yun. Kasi strong talaga yung chance rito na magkakilala na kayo noon. Hindi niya naman kailangan i-trace, no? Kung anong saling panahon yun, o kung anong busy ba yan, or kung ano bang siglo kayo nagkita, o yugto, o ano man yan, no? Your feelings will explain it all. Okay? Pero not both of you, no, is maaalala yan because there's this kind of rare case, no, wherein isa lang yung nakakaalala, isa lang din yung nakakaramdam, pero naramdaman niya sa'yo yun, ibig sabihin ikaw yung partner niya. So whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates, but this person is so windang right here, no? Like, hindi niya may paliwanag ito to the point that this person is almost running from this connection, pero nakikita ko siya ay mag-give in with this situation here with you. So, yeah, Aris, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin, no? Taray ng, ano na itong person na to, no? This person finds you so addicting, yeah, with your love, and now this person thinks that he or she is ready now. See? So, yeah, thank you so much, Aris, sa love and life. Annyeong!